Hi, hello, I am Rajiv Ranjan and I am teaching you today class 9 physics and the chapter name is motion. We have already studied the basic concept of motion in class 8 and different types of motion. But in class 9 we will read about different aspects of motion. Here first we need to understand what is motion, and motion of living things is how different from non-living things. As we all know, the whole world is made by nucleus, and in nucleus electron is moving. Though earth is also moving, so we can assume the whole world is moving. So here we should study about the mechanics. Mechanics deals with the motion of non-living objects. Non-living objects means you must be aware about non-living things. So motion of non-living object, like we can assume this car, this toy. This toy is moving. We can assume that this toy is changing their position from this part of blackboard to other part of blackboard. In another ways, mechanics is a motion which deals with non-living things. Even in class 10, 11 and 12, not in class 10, in 11, 12, we will further studies about the mechanics. Mechanics deals with the motion of non-living things. Though we should study about the basic concept of motion in class 9. And especially class 9 deals with motion along a straight line. A straight line motion is called rectilinear motion. Like suppose a body is moving along a straight path. This path is from A to B. In this class, we should stick our knowledge with rectilinear motion. Though we should also study in this class the basic of circular motion. Circular motion, you must be aware, when a body moves along a circular path, the motion is called circular motion. Right? So first we should study about rectilinear motion. So the basic concept of rectilinear motion start with two things. One is rest and another is motion. Student, how these two words are different in physics? When a body changes its position along with time, with a reference point, then the body can said to be in motion. And if a body does not change its position during any time interval, the body is said to be in rest. Like we can assume that this pen is stationary. This pen is not changing its position with respect to this blackboard. Right? So suppose I am writing. Right? I am writing, then my finger is moving with pen or with marker. We can assume that my hand is moving. Right? Suppose I am moving along a straight line. I am moving along zigzag path. So, the basic concept of rest and motion will build up the concept of rectilinear motion. Right? So, in rectilinear motion, the basic concept start in class 9, the distance and the displacement. Right? How these two words are different in physics? Distance and displacement. पहले इसको समझते हैं आसानी से. First we should understand these two words, distance and displacement, and then we should explain and write down the basic difference between distance and displacement. Right? So distance, what is? The distance actual path covered by object. Actual path covered by the object is called distance. Right. Suppose the body has started moving from point A to point B. The distance covered between A and B is a distance. It may be anything. It may be, we are assuming it 10 meter. Right. So, in this case, this is a straight line motion. So, in a straight line motion, a body has started moving from point A to point B, and the distance covered by the object is 10 meter. This motion is rectilinear motion because body is moving along a straight line. Right? Any confusion? Any doubt? Again, let us assume second example. By example first, we should understand the concept of distance and displacement, and then we try to write down the main difference between distance and displacement. So suppose, take another example. Body has started from moving from point O to point A, point B, and return back to point C. So here, in the first case, body has started moving from O to B. Right? The total distance covered by the object is actual path covered by the object. So we assume OB is equal to 60 meter. Right? Now the object is returned back to its original path. Means बॉडी O से B तक पहुंचता है और B से फिर अपने पाथ पे रिटर्न हो जा रहा है. राइट. सो ऑब्जेक्ट O से B तक आता है और B से रिटर्न होता है A पे. सो सपोज AB distance is 20 meter. So here, and again from A to C, AC,